My name's Alex Doherty and I'm a product manager at ASAFE.
Hi, I'm Rob. I'm one of the design engineers here at Fathom 3. I've been working alongside other engineers on the StepBumper project.
My name's Rowan and I'm a project engineer here at ASAFE.
Hello, my name's Andy Williams and I'm a senior research engineer here at ASAFE.
The StepBumper solves serious and potentially fatal injuries within the workplace, and it also accommodates for different applications such as asset protection and building protection, providing an excellent return on investment. It also aligns to ASAFE's continuous development of products by working with new materials, new technologies for future products. We noticed the initial problem was caused by ride-on truck drivers impacting and getting crushed by charging stations and other workplace structures. Therefore, we took this initial problem and we turned it into the solution, which is StepBumper.
The challenges that we've gone through during the designing process making the StepBumper is selecting the right fixings. So we've gone through extensive testing both on computer simulated and real life impacts and how that was affected with not just the rear of the forklift truck but the actual forks itself. This fixing was important for this product as now we're using something called a Monoplex system. It behaves differently to your standard plastics, polymers and metals, and down to the way that the energy is transferred through the product. We had to select the correct fixing to be able to withstand the impact.
The Monoplex material system is a twin-layered structure of a dual hardness. This gives it unique strength and flexibility, which allows us to give a truly innovative product offering to our customer.
It comes in 3 lengths of 1200, 900 and 600.
So understanding our customer's environment is a part of our development process. We do this by looking at the type of vehicle movement, pedestrian movement. We also look at the vehicle weight and speeds, and most crucially, we look at the impact zone.
StepBumper range offers a high quality ground level protection of over 15,000 joules worth of impact force.
Another key feature is it has a tread pattern on top of the StepBumper to help prevent slipping when stepping on and off the forklift truck.
The product is modular, easy to install and truly is the next step in ground level segregation.
So the StepBumper allows drivers to dismount the vehicle and safely exit.
It was designed in order to allow the forklift operator to reverse back into it and then also step off while being able to maintain and protect machinery around it.
So we identified the need for this product through customer feedback for high quality ground level protection for things like charging stations and also to act as a wheel guide.
But the StepBumper can also be used in various other locations around facilities alongside our pedestrian barrier and traffic barrier.
The StepBumper project has offered some unique challenges, not only in the material technology, but also in our manufacturing capabilities. We've had to upskill our team, invest record investment in new equipment, and also adopt groundbreaking principles of automated manufacturing. The sum total of this is it allows us to enter the market with a groundbreaking product and really take the next step in workplace safety.
So the product is truly reflective of what we do here at ASAFE. We've once again reimagined what safety products can be.